let's imagine we've got the following situation. Imagine you've got a balance, and over here you've got one bag, and over here you've got two sweets. Your job is to guess how many sweets there are in this bag. Imagine the bag itself doesn't weigh anything; it's just the sweets. Okay. So if I tell you that it's perfectly balanced at the moment, if I add another sweet over here on the left hand side, it's going to be heavier, so it's going to tilt this way. If I then remove this sweet, it's going to return back to normal. Okay. Now, if I add a sweet over here, this side becomes heavier. On the right hand side becomes heavier, so it's going to tilt. And if I remove it, then it's going to go back to normal. Okay. Your job is to guess how many sweets there are in this bag. Okay. Press pause and have a go. All right. The answer is 2, because you've got 2 sweets over here, and that equals 2 over here. Okay. All right. How about this one here? Let's say you've got a balance here, and let's say you've got a bag over here, and 2 sweets over here, and you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sweets over here, and the 2 are perfectly balanced at the moment. So guess how many sweets there are in this bag. Press pause and have a go. Okay, the answer is it's 3, because you've got 3 in here plus 2 out here, so in total you've got 5 sweets. So on this side here you've got 5 sweets, so the 2 equal. Okay, so basically there are 3 sweets in that bag. Now how about this one here? Let's say you've got this here, and let's say now you've got 2 bags. Your job is to guess how many sweets there are in each bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sweets on this side, and it's perfectly balanced at the moment. Oh, if you these bags are identical, by the way. So if you say there are 7 sweets over here, because these bags are identical, there must be 7 over here. So on this side you'll have 14 sweets. Okay. If you say there are there's 6 sweets in this bag here, well, these 2 bags are identical, so this one must also be 6. So altogether you've got 12 sweets. But then you can see 12 is heavier than 6 over here. So somehow you've got to figure out. Remember, these 2 bags are identical. So if you say there are 10 sweets in this bag here, then there must be 10 sweets over here. Okay. So press pause and have a go. Have a think about it anyway. So guess how many sweets there are in each bag. Okay. Alright. Let's see. Here we've got two bags. What I normally do is I normally divide it by 2 here. So you can imagine that this one here is 1 bag, and this one here is another bag. So basically, if you divide it by 2, then well, I don't know. It's just a gut instinct. So here there should be 3 bags in each. Sorry, there should be 3 sweets in each bag. Okay. All right. How about this one here? Let's say. Sorry. Hang on. This one here. This one here. Okay. Here you've got. Let's say 1, 2, 3 identical bags. Over here you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, all the bags are identical. So if you said there are 9 sweets in this bag, then there must be 9 over here, 9 over here. Okay, so so your job is to guess how many sweets there are in each bag. Okay, so press pause and have a go. Okay, here I would probably split it like this. So here I could imagine this as being 1 bag, here 1 bag, and here 1 bag. So really there are two sweets in each bag here. Because if you think about it, you've got 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. Altogether that makes 6, and well, you've got 6 sweets over here, so it makes sense. Okay, if you say 3, then you've got 3 here, so that's 9 sweets on this side, and there's 6 over here. So this side will be heavier, it will tilt, it won't balance. Okay, how about this one here? Let's say you've got this one here. You've got 2 bags here. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sweets over here. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so I would probably split it up like this. Split in half. Split in 2. So basically you've got 1 bag here and what another bag. Well, basically there are 4 sweets in each bag here, because 4 and then 4. So that altogether 4 plus 4 is 8, and you had 8 over here. So it balances. So it makes sense. Okay. How about this one here? Okay, so you've got a bag here. Let's say you've got 1, 2, 3 sweets over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over here. So press pause and have a go. Here I'm going to imagine that these three matches up with these 3. So I'm going to forget about these 3, and I'm going to forget about these 3. So really there are 4 sweets in each bag, in a bag. So that there should be 4 sweets here. So 4, and then you had 3 earlier, so that makes 7. Well, over here you had 7, so that makes sense. So the answer is 4. Okay. How about this one here? This one here is going to be tricky, so it's going to be the last one. Okay, let's imagine you've got 2 bags over here. Okay, and you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over here, and you've got 1 over here. So 2 bags and a sweet. Over here you've got 7 sweets. So have a think about it. Press pause and have a go. Okay, what I normally do, so I normally do this. If you could guess, but I normally do this. Hang on. I would imagine. I would erase. I would imagine that. Well, I'm going to take 1 sweet from each side. It should still balance. Now I'm just going to split it in half. Split divided by 2. Okay. So here you can imagine this is one bag and 1 bag. So there are three sweets in each bag. So if you remember, our original thing was like this: a bag over here, 2 bags over here, 1 sweet, and then you've got 7 sweets over here. Okay, and the answer we worked out to be 3 here. Okay, so there must be 3 over here, 3 in here. So 3 here, 3 here, 1 here. So altogether 7 sweets, and over here you've got 7 sweets. So there must be 3 sweets in each bag. So when someone gives you something like this, what I normally do, hang on, let's say 1, 2, 3. Let's just say 3 for this time, and 2 sweets over here, and over here let's say you've got 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What I normally do is, you could guess, but I normally just get rid of 2 over here, and then how do I get? Well, I'm just going to divide it by 3. Actually, how would I divide this by 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sweets. So I'm going to divide it like this. So you can see here you've got 1 bag here, another bag here, another bag here. So here you've got 3 sweets in each bag. Okay.